in this video, I will let you know about the SQL injection vulnerability. This is the very important vulnerability which we will cover with the practical. So as you know guys, I'm using two machine here. This is my Metasploit 2 Linux. This is the server and target machine, and this is the Kali machine, which are attacker machine, right? So if you can see here, I have typed in browser this IP. This is the Metasploit IP, right? Means this machine Metasploit 2 machine IP I have typed on in the address bar. If you type this, then you will able to get the 5 website for the testing purpose, right? So you will also, or you can make the same environment in your local. I have covered that in my past video, right? So today we will attack on Material Day website. So this is a website, and here we will test the SQL injection, right? Here you can see there is a login register page where we can make the login, and also we can register. So you can here, from here you can register the page here, right? You can create a new account and then you can log in. So I have already registered. Name is Anku and password is 123456. So if you see here, now I'm able to log in. Here you can see login user Anku1, right? So guys, one more thing, when you register on this, so maybe you will get an error. So for this, please ensure your Metasploit machine a configuration. So I will let you know that configuration. If you go to your Metasploit machine here, so there is a configuration. If you type sudo nano command, sudo nano var www material and config.inc and press and enter and type the password msfadmin. So ensure that here db name should in last line you can see db name should be OWASP 10. But in your case, if you are like fresher machine or fresher configuration, so in here you will get Metasploit, but you have to override that on like you can type the OWASP 10 and then control X for the save, so you will able to save that, right? So this is like little configuration for the database of this website, right? So here you can see I am logged in with the Anku1. This is the user. So now I'm log out this. So now how we can hack this a website, guys? You know, everyone or almost table use the SQL. So the also attack name is SQL injection. So how it will like internally work, I will let you know. If for example this is the a table account, so how the query will work. Select start from account, right? Where user name is equal to, for example, same Anku, and my password was, and password is equal to 123456. If you log in that from here, if you type name and password, so internally the code will work like that, right? If this credential username is Anku and password is 123456 found into the SQL table, so it will make me logged in, right? If not, then I will not logged in, right? But now how we can pass, where we can inject our code. So let's assume that this is the query. If I use the end 1 is equal to 1, that means this will use Anku and password this and 1 is equal to 1, and I will type this also hash will like make a comment after the any code, right? So let's, for example, this, if I will put this query into the password like this, so it will make like this time, this it's look like this, and it will make 1 is equal to 1. That means our condition will be true, and the last will be going to the comment. So it should be pass our user, right? So I type Anku, right? And then I am copying this here, copy and pasting into the password. So in this case, 1 is equal to 1, it will make our condition true, and this will allow to true into the SQL. If I log in here, if you notice that I am able to log in here, you can see login in user Ankush. That means this query will return true condition. If we get return true condition, that means we are able to log in, or site will make or authorized to log in. So this is the SQL injection, and this is very common attack in website. But in current day, all website are making this like increasing the security. So this is like main important vulnerability in past time. So this is all in this video, SQL injection. And please subscribe my channel to get the new upcoming hacking video. So thank you guys.